WordPress is one of the world's most popular CMS platform. Without a doubt, it's one of the most targeted by the hackers. Whenever you install a plugin in your WordPress website, you are adding some more vulnerability into your website. You have to keep your WordPress websites and keep all of the plugins updated with the latest updates in order to be very secure. Now imagine if you have multiple websites, each of them have multiple plugins. You have to keep a lot of maintenance in each of these websites to keep them very secure. Not just they add a vulnerability, they also makes your websites very slow. So in this video, we will check out how you can create a contact form, survey form, or any kind of a complex form, and you can embed all these forms in your WordPress website without losing all the security problems, without having to maintain all of those plugins, and without slowing down your website. So let us get started. So to get started, just go to formnx.com and create a free account. Once you have created an account, just log in with your account and come to this list of forms here. Here you will be seeing an option to create a new form. Click on this option, and here we have 4 different ways to create the form. Start from scratch, or you can copy existing form to create a new form. So the easier to use option is actually to use a pre-made template. So all these are professionally built templates. We have thousands and thousands of templates for different industries, for different purposes. Let us start with a very easy to use form, which is called as contact form. Here I will simply search for contact, and I will be seeing list of different templates related to contact form. I can preview any of these templates by clicking on this preview button. Once I see this form perfectly fit my need, I can simply click on this use template and use the form. Contact form for WP. I will click on create form. With this single click, the form is completely ready now. I can change any of these things from here. I can change the color. I can change the image from here. I can change the heading, change any of these fields from here. I can add some more fields. Also, I can add my logo. You can change your field conditions, add some more conditions here, emails, settings, a lot of different settings. So just check out all of our previous video to know what all settings you can do inside FormNX, a lot of different integrations. So with this, you can easily take advantage of all the different powerful features inside FormNX. Once your form is completely ready, just click on save as form, preview the form. Once you see the form is completely ready and it fits your need, just go to the publish tab. Inside this publish tab, there are multiple options to publish the form. The first one is very easy to use option, which is directly copying the link of your form. You can easily use the link of your form in ahref tag, or you can simply share the link of the form for anyone to fill it directly. The next option is to embed the form in your website. So simply copy this embed code in whichever page or whichever post you want to embed. Just simply, let us say we want to embed in a new page, which is called as contact us. Here I have to add a new block, which is called as HTML block. And this is a default block present inside Gutenberg. So you don't have to install any of the plugins here. Simply paste the code, publish the page, and preview the page. With these 2 to 3 steps, our form is completely ready now, and you are ready to collect all the details from your customers inside your WordPress website. Now let us say you don't want to embed the form in this way. You want to show a pop-up form to users. So for this, we have an option called as pop-up or feedback button. So here inside this pop-up and feedback button, we have multiple triggers here. Button trigger, delete, scroll, and exit. Let me disable all of this trigger for now. We will use simply the button trigger. With this button trigger, I have an option to position the button left center, right center, bottom left, whatever position you need. Mostly it's in the right center. I will use the right center position here. I will enter the text of the button, which is called as contact us, and copy the code here and replace the code inside our WordPress website. Simply update the code, refresh the page. Once you refresh the page, you will be seeing a new button which is called as contact button added here. Simply clicking on this button, the form will automatically open here. And there are a lot of different triggers which is present here, that is called as delete trigger, scroll, exit. A different trigger are present over here. All these triggers are very helpful to capture your details of your leads for different surveys, registration, and different purposes. With this delete trigger, trigger whenever someone scrolls or whenever someone is in your website for let's say 10 or 20 seconds. Whatever time you set over here, the form will automatically open. Scroll trigger, with this scroll trigger, whenever someone scrolls to 50% of your website or let's say 55% of your website or the page, the form will automatically open. So it's a very good feature to automatically open the form and to capture the details of your lead. Next, we have exit intent pop-up. With this exit intent pop-up, let us check how it's working. Whenever someone tries to exit from our website, the form will automatically open. Okay, so whenever I try to exit from the website, the form will automatically open here. So a lot of different options are present to embed the form in your website. You can directly embed it as a full page form, or you can embed it as a pop-up form with different triggers here. Not just you can create contact form, there are a lot of different options to create a lot of different kind of a form. Let's say you want to create a quiz form or a survey form or a registration form. Any kind of form you can easily create here, and you can use our pre-made libraries of different templates, which is for registration, feedback. A lot of different templates are present over here which you can easily use to create any kind of form. So I hope you find this video very helpful, and just in case if you have any further problems or any further questions, just feel free to ask me in the comments below.